back to Roll Ridge Garage, and today we're going to be going and see how bad the rust in the Cutlass actually is. So let's get it. Alright, here we go. So I got managed to get the seats out. And you know what? Let me not even do. Ooh. Well, I was gonna say let me just not start on this side because this wasn't the area that needed to be patched. But oh no, that's pretty solid. Alright, that's good. So it's actually more of the rears. So this is actually not rust either. So it looks like it's been damp for a while. Honestly, I don't know how. The person I did buy this car from was a auto detailer. Car was immaculate when I got it. So chances are he shampooed this car maybe one too many times and it's just never drained out. We'll let the train pass and we're gonna get back to this. Alright, so the train went by, so let's get it. So again, this side was it was pretty solid. If you saw my previous video, I did state that there was really just one side that didn't look too good. And let's see. No! Alright, so I really did not expect this. From the bottom, there's no holes. It looks like for me pulling this, it actually came up with the rust. And that's why there's the holes. From the bottom, I could not tell if it was holes. I knew it was bad. But man. Wow. It's actually worse than I thought. Man, this thing came up with the rust. Oh my god. It's actually layers of the metal. Yeah, so did not expect this. Man. So I'm gonna get this pulled out. Let's see what else may need to be patched up. Back seats looks pretty good. Not too worried about that. Holy shit. Alright, so I got the carpet out. Man, and honestly, it's not as bad as I thought. Everything else seems pretty solid. A lot of it just surface rust. Got to get that all grinded out and see if there's any maybe pinholes that I got to fill in. But for the most part, just look like this is the only problem right here. So we're gonna go ahead and get that cut out. Let me actually test fit the replacements, and we're gonna start working on this. Just hold on 1 second for me. All right, we got the floor end. Excuse me. Just saying, I think, well, I know, let me not say I think, but I'm pretty sure this is the right floor pan. The holes lined up. But I'm not gonna lie, it also kind of look like an A-body, but I don't think it's gonna be too big of a problem. Even if we don't, you know, completely cut this out, we're probably gonna cut it up to about here, right above. Leave only about 1/4 of it out and weld it onto the original instead of having just both sides new. And again, the back seats seem pretty good, so I don't think we might just overlay that if we can. Just focus. Probably just yeah, probably just gonna overlay that if we can over the original, or maybe just cut it out. We'll see when we get there. But yeah, this is what we have. Again, this is all surface. As bad as this look, a lot of this is just material from the carpet. It's pretty solid, but we're just gonna double check everything, go over it, grind it, make sure everything is what it is, and from there we should be able to get the floor in and get it marked up and all that good stuff, man. So y'all be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Again, these are going to be complete GBody builds for the most part, not just the engine. You know, we're double checking everything. Interior is going to be done, redone on this, just because, you know, if it's already out so that we can go ahead and get the floor fixed, I figured I'd just go ahead and go buckets. Already working on the video for that. We're already got the seats. So stay tuned to see what those are. Out the trenches, all I know is go and get it. Mama told me, boy, get off your ass and count the benches. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. And lately I've been counting money straight off the ceiling. Got it out the trenches, all I know is go and get it. Mama told me.